Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters: a subscribed Apple Music account and an authorized computer. First, enable iCloud Music Library in Apple Music so tracks sync across devices. Then open Virtual DJ and check for the latest update. Compatibility matters. Authorize this machine in Apple Music or iTunes using your Apple ID because Virtual DJ will rely on local access to your synced files. Once done, make sure your music folder appears in Finder or File Explorer so Virtual DJ can scan it. Now you'll give Virtual DJ direct access to playable files. Apple Music streams are DRM protected. You must use tracks downloaded for offline use in the iCloud synced music media folder. Copy those downloaded AAC/MP3 files into a new, readable folder. Don't move originals. Keep a backup. Next, open Virtual DJ and go to Settings, then Browser, then Local Files. Add the folder you prepared. Virtual DJ will index the files. This step converts cloud-only items into locally accessible tracks you can load and mix. Finish by testing playback. Load a track, check waveform and cue points, and play through to confirm audio. If a track won't play, it's likely DRM or an incomplete download. Sign out and back into Apple Music, re-download the track for offline use, or convert authorized files from your own backup. Once fixed, rescan the folder in Virtual DJ. If problems persist, restart both apps or reauthorize your Apple ID on the computer. That usually clears permission conflicts and restores access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.